Read this out loud. I saw dog. Feels broken, doesn't it? Now add one tiny word. I saw a dog. Perfect. These little words, a, an, the, are the number one reason people can instantly hear that someone isn't a native speaker. And almost nobody teaches them properly. In the next 15 minutes, that ends. Hi and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found this. I make one series called One Rule Grammar, where every scary topic becomes one simple picture. If that sounds useful to you, please subscribe. I read every comment and honestly, every single subscription motivates me to make the next video. Okay, stay to the end for a 2-second sound trick that your own eyes will try to trick you on, and a 3-word cheat code. Let's begin, slowly and clearly. Here is the whole topic in 2 questions. Question 1. Is your noun countable and singular? One thing you can count. 1 apple. 1 idea. Question 2. Does your listener already know which one? That's it. 2 questions. Ask them in order, and the article almost always chooses itself. Don't worry, we'll walk through each one slowly together. Watch this meter. On one side, new. On the other, known. Every example today will slide along it. Let's start with a and an. Use them when you introduce something new, a thing your listener doesn't know yet. Picture a dark stage. You bring out one new object. I have a question. She adopted a cat. The listener has never met this cat before. It's new. So, A. A means here is one and it's new to you. But here's something interesting. The moment you mention that cat again, something changes. Hold that thought. Now, a or an. And this is where your eyes lie to you. The rule is about sound, not spelling. Use an before a vowel sound. Use a before a consonant sound. Listen. Hour. We write H-O-U-R, but we say hour, a vowel sound. So, an hour. Now the opposite. A university. We write U, but we say university. That's a consonant sound. So, a university. Trust your ears, not your eyes. Your turn, say it with me. An hour. A university. Beautiful. Now the most powerful word, the. Use the when you both already know which one. Point the spotlight at something you can both see. Remember our new cat? Watch. She adopted a cat. The cat is black. The first time, a, new. The second time, the. Now we both know which cat. That's the loop closed. A becomes the moment it's shared. It also happens when a thing is the only one. The sun, the president, or when the sentence tells us which. The book on the table. Which book? That one. Or with the best, the first, the tallest. And when we share the same room, close the door. We both know which door. Every single use of the means one thing. We both know which. And sometimes you use no article at all. Picture the whole stage, fully lit, things in general. 4 common cases. 1. Plurals and uncountables in general. Dogs are loyal. Water is life. 2. Most names. People, cities, most countries. Priya lives in London. No article. 3. Meals, languages, sports and transport. I have lunch. I speak Tamil. I play cricket. I go by bus. 4. Big ideas in general. Love is patient. And one warning, a very common mistake. And advice? No, advice can't be counted. Say some advice or a piece of advice. Same with information, furniture, money. Screenshot this board. These 4 buckets catch most of your zero-article moments. Come closer. The cheat code. New is a, known is the, general is nothing. That's the whole flowchart in 6 words. Say it with me. New is a, known is the. Whenever you're stuck, just ask, is this new, known, or general? Quick game. Fill the blank. Shout a, an, the, or nothing. 1. I need blank umbrella. An, vowel sound. 2. Blank moon is bright tonight. B, there's only 1. 3. I love blank music. Nothing. Music in general. You're getting this. Now a short clinic, the tricky ones. An advice? No, some advice. Dogs are loyal or the dog is loyal. Both are correct. The first is everyday, the second is formal or scientific. She's in hospital means she's a patient. In the hospital means the building. We say India with no article, but the USA because it's a group of states. And remember, a university, an hour. Sound, not spelling. Don't rush these. Meet them and keep them. Last part, let's practice together. Slowly. I'll say a sentence with a gap. You say the missing word out loud. A, an, the, or nothing. Then I'll confirm. Take your time. Ready? I bought blank new phone yesterday. A new phone. New, countable, singular. Can you pass me blank salt? We both know which salt. She is blank, honest person. N. Honest starts with a vowel sound. On. Blank elephants are amazing animals. Nothing, plural in general. He wants to be blank engineer. An. Engineer starts with a vowel sound. N. Blank earth goes around blank sun. The earth, the sun, both unique. I don't drink blank coffee. Nothing. Uncountable in general. That was blank best day of my life. The best. A superlative is always one. Look how far you came. 2 questions. Is it countable and singular? Does my listener know which? New is a. Known is the. General is nothing. If this helped you, subscribe. It truly means a lot, and it tells me to keep making these. And in the comments, try this. Yesterday I saw blank, and blank was amazing. Fill in the articles. Then add, new is a, known is the. I've got it. Next time, relative clauses. Who, which, that. One simple picture again. I'll see you there. Keep going, you're doing beautifully.